In 2025, how much will Luna be worth? The Terra Digital Currency cost predictions state that Luna's average cost may reach $423.35 in 2025. Market analysts predict that by the end of 2025, the coin's conversion standard will have reached its highest value of $485.72. Possibly, Luna will eventually hit $1,000. According to the previously presented cost projections, the majority of experts believe that Luna may cost $1,000 or more by 2028. Is Luna crypto a smart investment? Many experts agree that Luna may be a sensible investment, but many factors, including regulations, and if the Terra blockchain can surpass its prior status, will affect its success. Crypto is generally positive on Luna, says it depends on your gambling hungry, bringing up unfortunate events that happened afterward. Every business involves a certain amount of danger, and cryptocurrency is the ultimate high-risk bet. In any event, there are probably more reliable currencies to invest in right now, like Bitcoin and Ethereum.